Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I wanted to show you my three watch collection when it comes to Casio watches. So I would definitely recommend to check out these three models and also the watch roll. So this travel watch box pouch that you can go and grab by dukwin. This is going to be a very nice let's say leather looking, although it is going to be vegan leather. It is very premium. It has a very smooth material that was used for it, and also it has inside a hidden compartment for your jewelry, or for, let's say, if you have an extra strap, some a ring or a necklace. This is going to be inside right here, so it's going to have this hidden compartment. Now when it comes to the watches, as you can see, I have the Casio Automatic, so the first ever Casio Edifice Automatic. This is, in my opinion, one of the best watches that you can go and grab right now for this price. Then we have a diver. This is going to be the Casio Duro. It has 200 meters of water resistance, a screw down crown, a screw down back, and then we also have a very nice and simple display with the date complication. The last one is going to be the Casio Royale. So this is going to be one of the most interesting Casio digital watches that you can go and grab. It is called the Casio Royale because, let's say, it is considered a Casio James Bond, so a James Bond Casio watch, although it was never used or worn by James Bond, but it is very similar to the Seiko, I believe, G757 that was actually worn, and that is why it is called the Casio Royale. The second one, as I mentioned, is going to be the Casio Duro. Let's also take this out and let's have a look. I would definitely recommend to check out all of these watches and also the watch pouch, because this is going to be a very nice collection and also a very easy way to travel around. Screw down crown, very easy to use, a very nice click when it comes to the bezel. We have a date complication, very nice. And then, as I mentioned, if you are a Casio collector, you should definitely go and grab the Casio Automatic. So the first ever Casio, it came under the Edifice line, a very nice and very smooth bracelet, very nice finishing. It only has one micro adjustment, so that is going to be something that some of you might not like. It has a see-through back, and we have a Seiko movement. So we have the Seiko NH35 movement inside, very accurate with the date complication. Something that I love about these watches is going to be the dial finishing. So you have this texturized dial that, in my opinion, is beautiful, and this is going to be a great alternative to the Tissot PRX, and in my opinion, this is going to be a great three-watch Casio watch collection. So you have something elegant, the Automatic Edifice, then you have the Casio Duro, which is going to be a diver's watch, and then we have something really sporty, fun, interesting, retro looking, which is going to be the Casio Royale. So guys, make sure to check all of these on Amazon, and also make sure to also check out the watch roll by dukwin, because I guarantee these four products are going to make for a very nice collection and a very easy way to travel around with them.